Language and music are deeply interconnected forms of human expression, each possessing its own set of rules and structures. In this essay, we will explore the use of the past simple tense in music, particularly in analyzing completed song compositions. By examining the lyrics and music of various songs, we can gain a better understanding of how the past simple tense is employed to convey different meanings and emotions. One of the most common uses of the past simple tense in music is to narrate past events or experiences. For example, in the song Yesterday by the Beatles, the lyrics reflect on a time when everything seemed so different. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. Here, the past simple tense is used to suggest a sense of nostalgia and longing for a bygone era. Similarly, in Taylor Swift's song, Love Story, the past simple tense is used to recount a romantic tale. Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. These lyrics transport the listener to a specific moment in time and evoke a sense of fairy tale romance. The past simple tense is also used in music to describe sudden or unexpected actions. In the song Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses, the lyrics express surprise at finding love. She's got eyes of the bluest skies as if they thought of rain. The use of the past simple tense here adds a sense of immediacy and excitement to the narrative. Furthermore, the past simple tense can be used in music to convey a sense of finality or closure. In Adele's song, Someone Like You, the lyrics express acceptance of a past relationship. Never mind. I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Here, the past simple tense is used to convey the idea of moving on and letting go. In conclusion, the past simple tense plays a crucial role in shaping the narrative and emotional impact of song compositions. By analyzing the lyrics and music of various songs, we can appreciate how the past simple tense is used to tell stories, evoke emotions, and create vivid imagery. Through the exploration of past simple tense in music, we gain a deeper understanding of the power of language and its ability to connect us to our past experiences and emotions.